Uma muthenya ukuihuirwo ni kieha. Maithori undu umwe na kigiriko kia ngoro. Nyumba-ini ya kuiga miiri ya Chiromo guku Nairobi. Kimako na ciuria nyingi itari na anja ikiyandika maitho-ini ma endwa na family cia aria marari mukawa-ini wa Dusit, othe makiuma na mahoya na mwihoko munene ati endwa ao mari muoyo. Na thutha wa ihinda ria wetereri, ihinda ria kuona miiri ya aria maroragirwo ni ito ici yambiriria guku andu makiingira o rita riao. Na kiria kirumirire ni kiriro na mbugiririo. Ruru aliruo rwa kuona uria endwa ao maroragirwo ni ito ici.
Huyu ni Mahamudi Yasi Njama, ndio anafanya katika hiyo ofisi nyewe. Huyu ndio amenipigia simu akaniambia, baba kuna shida. What is wrong? Ngoja niruke. Ameruka ameniambia nimesharuka, ametoka. Bahati nzuri niko naye, lakini nimepoteza wengine wawili ambao walikuwa wanafanya katika hiyo ofisi. Kwa hiyo nimepata ripoti kutoka kwa kijana yangu direct from the horse's mouth, ambaye yuko hapa na sisi wakati huo, ndio amenieleza hiyo maneno, ile kitendo ambayo ilitokea. How would you feel as a parent when your son tells you I'm in the midst of terrorists?
Makiria moguo ruo ruingi kuri aria megukaga na gukora endwa ao matiramenyeka kuria mari, ona thutha wao kugeria kumetha kuhitukira thimu matoi kuria mekumaruta.
I lost my boyfriend. Actually, it was his first visit in Kenya. He came on Sunday. He landed on Sunday. He wanted to stay at Hemingway's, but I advised him to stay at Dusit since Dusit is the nearest place. And I had classes at the same time. So I told him to go attend my classes, so I'll come join him some other time. So apparently when I went, my phone was actually on a silent mode. I found 8 of his missed calls. That was around 5:10 p.m. So when I tried reaching him out, he was unavailable. So when I opened my phone, seeing as in that I saw on social media that Dusit has been attacked. So I had to take a boda all the way from Kenyatta University to the place of scene. So when I came, I tried reaching him again. He was still unavailable. I'm yet to confirm the body, but I've already forwarded this information to his Australian embassy. Yeah, and some of his close friends back at the States have already notified them.
Na thutha wa uhoro aria megukuranaga miiri ya endwa ao makambiriria mihang'o ya kumathamia nyumba-ini cia kuiga miiri iria iri hakuhi na kwao guku mehaririria ma mathiko magitanywo kwambiriria. Noguo niguo gwatinda guku mucii wa kuiga miiri mwena wa Chiromo, na kwa ihinda riri riu andu aingi aria makorirwo makimenya endwa ao aria marakorirwo magite mioyo kumana na tharikira-ini ni mambiriirie riu mibango ya mathiko. Oriri ithuĩ Thutha TV turamendera makorwo na kumiriria makiria ihinda-ini riri iritu. Arina Kameme TV kuma mucii wa Nairobi, Chiromo mochari Thutha Jenga wa Boy.